virgin olive oil. Hello guys, welcome back with Chef Paolo. Welcome back in my kitchen. Today a super delicious recipe. Today I'm gonna show you another recipe how to make a super delicious crostoni, guys. So, first thing first, we cook our meat. To cook our meat, we take some extra virgin olive oil with really nice and gentle our red onion. We switch on the fire, medium high, so from 1 to 10 if you have the electric fire, you put 7, and we start to cook. Just the time to make our onion soft and blonde. Our onion, it's already blonde and soft, and now we can add our meat. Pinch of salt, guys. And we make it really nice roasted. And we start to cut first our cherry tomato. And here we are, look, now it's time to prepare our crostini. Some oven paper on our oven tray. And first thing we put our, then we put our meat on top of it. It's time to put our shredded mozzarella on top. Now, oven 250 degrees, 10 minutes to melt and roast our crostoni in a perfect way. Let's go. Now, after the tomato, we cut in a really small chop our onion. Last but not least, we chop really nice our parsley. And here we are. Now, some extra virgin olive oil, pinch of salt, but even a pinch of black pepper, guys. And we mix really nice, ready to be put on our crostoni. Let's go. And here we are, guys. Beautiful are these crostoni, guys. Let's play. Here you are, guys. Our super delicious beef and mozzarella cheese crostoni are ready. And now, guys, the best moment. Let's eat this crostoni, guys. Crunchy outside. Wow, it's amazing. So delicious. The freshness of the tomato, the crunchiness of the bread, the really nice roasted smoky flavor of the meat and mozzarella cheese, guys. Amazing. Finger licking, guys. We do only homemade delicious Italian food, guys. Mamma mia che buono. Amazing. Follow my step. Simple ingredients, super delicious and well mixed, guys, and you're gonna have an amazing result. Your children gonna love this. This is an entire meal. You have the carbs, you have the protein, and you have the tasty of all this amazing mix of ingredients. So next time another recipe with your Chef Paolo homemade for you. Se vedremo. Bye bye. Mamma mia.